Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Today in this short video I will tell you how to install Java simply with an IDE. So just go to this link. I have given this link in the description below and you will see a window like this. So this is Java JDK and this is NetBeans with JDK, like JDK plus NetBeans or JDK plus IDE. So I will prefer you this one, go for this, like that is much easy. If you install if you just install this one, um, yeah, just a JDK, then surely you will need an IDE. You can download Eclipse for it, you can download NetBeans for it, you can download Dr. Java for it. These are different IDE I have used, but I will prefer you NetBeans because I love NetBeans. I use NetBeans. As you can see there, NetBeans has been installed in my PC. So the agreement has been accepted. Go for 32-bit or 64-bit, whatever you want. I'll go for the 64-bit, and this is it. Just save this file, and it's more like other software. Simple installation, next, and finish. I have already installed Java, as you can see, and I have already installed NetBeans, as you can see. It's easy, it's nothing logical, it's not rocket science, you can just do it. But if you want to learn more Java and um, the differences between JDK, SDK, IDE, Java SE, Java ME, and the different versions of Java and what basically they do, please subscribe for my channel, and I am here to provide all the knowledge I have got for Java and how am I doing as a Java developer. So thank you guys for watching my video, and do subscribe for my channel and leave a thumbs up. Thank you.